4-inch metal tabletop fan for circulating air in small spaces. Powered with corded AC power supply or USB connector via laptops, computers, or portable adapters. Ideal for desk or tabletops, counters, cubicles, offices, workstations, and more. Durable metal construction and fan blades, reliable non-slip base. 360-degree tilt mobility for directing airflow. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. We've used this multiple times. It is perfect for travel. We found great use me mothers may find helpful. We have twin grandbabies that are only months old. We love to go to the pool but was difficult to take them outside with us as it was so hot. We took a chaise lounge chair, covered with a towel to provide shade and to the chaise cushion and put it on the deck under the chair do deck wouldn't be hot. Took the fan out with a portable charger to hook up the fan and blew air on the babies as they were under the chaise. We got to enjoy them outside. They got to enjoy the outside and stayed very cool.